So we're about to finish up here. As you may have noticed, I've been light on the homework and the assignments and all the little quizzes and tests because when it comes to body language, I don't find that really helps people that much. What does help the most is recording yourself on video. So I'm not going to belabor it anymore. This will be the last time, but I want to give you one last opportunity. And you know what? You can come back to this course 2 years later and I'll still honor it. But I want to give you one last opportunity to practice some kind of a speech, talk, presentation, briefing, job interview, whatever it is where you're speaking in a workplace environment. Record it, redo it until you think it's the best you can, and then post the URL from YouTube, Facebook, any place else, right here in the discussion box. I will watch it. I will give you my feedback, my honest opinion of what you're doing well, but also if there are things you need to improve. So that's my promise to you. Most of you are not going to take me up on it. That's okay. But those of you who really want to get to the higher level, take me up on this. You've already paid for the course. Why not? And if you don't do it today, you can come back 6 months from now.